What if I told you that a simple change in how you ask for donations could increase your monthly giving by 42%? Nearly 30% of online donations now come from regular, automated giving, growing double digits every year. The truth is, while many nonprofits focus on one-time gifts, only 7% explain why donors should give on a recurring basis, missing out on huge connection and revenue opportunities. But with the right strategies, you can turn one-time supporters into consistent, loyal donors who fuel your mission month after month. And if you're looking for more ways to grow your nonprofit, subscribe to our channel now for insights that can help you raise more, grow faster, and make a bigger impact. Let's dive in. Recurring giving isn't just about convenience. It's about creating meaningful partnerships between donors and your nonprofit. Here's why it's transformational. Number one, donors feel the regular gifts are making a difference every month, bringing pride and purpose. Two, smaller gifts, bigger impact. For donors, $42 a month feels manageable, but over a year, it adds up to $500, creating real change. Three, personal connection. Recurring donors feel like true partners in your mission, connected to your story and impact over time. This transcends giving. It's about belonging to a movement that drives meaningful change. And look, recurring donations can be a big ask for donors. Some worry about overspending, others don't understand the impact of regular giving. That's why it's important to keep the process simple and flexible. When donors feel in control of their options and how their gifts fuel your mission, recurring giving becomes an easy choice. But what does that mean for your nonprofit? Let's start with how regular automated donations create long-term stability for your organization. Predictable revenue. Steady recurring gift intervals provide a reliable funding stream, helping you plan with confidence. Resource efficiency. Automated donations save your team time on repetitive outreach, letting them focus on impact. Scalability. Predictable funding means you can scale programs, hire staff, and expand operations with less uncertainty. Higher retention rates. Flexible intervals like monthly, quarterly, or annual giving options ensure donors give in a way that works for them, building loyalty over time. This is more than just income. It's the foundation of sustainable growth for nonprofits like yours. Now, let's take this one step further. What if you could seamlessly convert one-time donors into recurring supporters? That's where tools like Donorbox's recurring donation upsell feature come in. Encouraging donors to commit to regular giving is transformational for nonprofits. The recurring donation upsell feature invites one-time donors to become monthly supporters, turning short-term generosity into reliable funding for your mission. Here's how it works. After a one-time donation of $200 or less, donors are prompted to convert their gift into a monthly contribution, building sustainable support. Recurring donors give 42% more annually on average. And this feature integrates seamlessly during checkout. No extra work for your team. It's a simple, effective way to boost retention and revenue. Some donors hesitate about recurring giving, and that's totally okay. Here's how to reassure donors who may be worried about automated payments. Recurring gifts are flexible. Donors can adjust, pause, or cancel anytime, while receipts track their gifts. If they have affordability concerns, remind them $10 a month adds up. Encourage donors to start small, emphasizing how collective action drives change. If they're focused on specific campaigns, reassure donors they'll still hear about urgent appeals, but explain how a recurring gift ensures vital programs and costs are consistently funded. With the right messaging, recurring giving's true value is clear. Ongoing support drives lasting change. Building a strong recurring giving program starts with a few simple strategies. Share the impact of regular gifts. Offer incentives like exclusive content and publicly recognize your recurring donors. Tools like Donorbox's recurring donation upsell feature have been shown to increase donations by as much as 42%, helping turn one-time donors into loyal monthly supporters. Ready to build a stronger, more sustainable nonprofit? Recurring giving is the key. Donorbox makes it easy to set up, promote, and manage recurring donations. Head to donorbox.org and see how it works. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel to keep your growth as steady as your donation. Let's make your mission unstoppable.